Hello, my name is Adam and I'm one of the owners, the founder and Chief Business Development Officer of the Fuse Service and Fuse Franchising and Fuse Club as well. So in 2017 I started my company, which is called Fuse Service, and all the time we had problems, or some of the problems, with marketing. We've been used a lot of CEO companies to optimize our website and doing some crazy stuff, and one day we got a luck to find the company which is called Netrocket. The Netrocket in the beginning started very professionally. They asked a lot of questions regarding what kind of operations we did with our website, what kind of targets and goals we're chasing for, and they just made a plan and present us this plan, and we've been agreed with this plan. Right now I believe we're working with Netrocket more than 1 year, and I think I would surely say I'm quite happy with this company, because we've been on first page maybe 3-4 years ago, and then we get down to the 5th, 6th pages, something happening all the time. Google and all other searching engines like changing their policies, so all the time we have to change our website, our rules, what's going on inside the website, what's going on inside or outside of our website, and all the time we have to follow all these policies and rules search engine companies creating. So Netrocket in this purpose has been doing very successful. Our websites right now on the first pages on the Google, on the most reputable search keywords like HVAC service San Jose, HVAC install San Jose, and all the time I seeing right now our company on the first page, and it's great. Thank you Netrocket for your great amazing work. We will use them much more in the future, and I would definitely recommend use this company as well. Thank you.